The secrets of affiliate marketing, or how to boost your income. Are you wondering if affiliate marketing is a real business opportunity? Do you want to get started or improve your results? Do you want to avoid frequent mistakes and optimize your strategy? This video shows you the keys to successful affiliate marketing. You too become a smart affiliate. In affiliate marketing, you position yourself as an advertiser or an affiliate. In this video, I will deal with the case where you are an affiliate, a partner willing to promote another person's products and services. On the web, it's hard to be successful on your own. It should never be forgotten that the fundamental principle of affiliate marketing is a win-win relationship. If you want your partners to promote your offers through the affiliation, it is obvious that you will have to do the same for some of them. Myths and realities of affiliate marketing. Some believe that affiliation only enriches advertisers. Others have tried the experiment and have had only disappointing results. So is affiliate marketing a real business opportunity or a disguised scam? To enlighten you, here are some distinctions between truths and preconceived ideas. Affiliate marketing only enriches advertisers. False. Fortunately, very few advertisers deliberately deceive their affiliates. For an advertiser, affiliates are a sales force. The interest of an advertiser is to encourage, support, and advise its affiliates and not to deceive them. How do you spot a bad advertiser? A bad advertiser doesn't have to be dishonest. In the vast majority of cases, when you do not receive a commission, it is due to a problem with tracking. By using a reliable affiliate platform such as Legendary Marketer, you will never have any worries there. Do not work with advertisers who do not offer you performance indicators, impressions, clicks. Test your affiliate link and see if a cookie is placed on your computer. For an advertiser who uses an internal affiliate program or a non-specialized external service, ask them for information on their tracking system, the duration of cookies, etc. Promoting a super launch is always profitable. False. Often, you'll notice that the advertiser's primary partners, those with large contact lists, offer lots of bonuses on the last day of the orchestrated launch. If you want to get my bonuses, go through my affiliate link. 99% of advertisers who perform super launches use an affiliate program using the last click logic. It is, therefore, the last affiliate who receives the commission, one of the affiliates that offer the most bonuses. You understand. You've done your job by sending all of your leads to the advertiser. And you end up getting very little or no sales. Because your contacts are part of the contacts of big affiliates, partners of the advertiser. Unfortunately, this affiliate commission theft by this process is very common, especially in the earn money, live your dreams niche. So be careful. Promoting an orchestrated launch with a high commission is not necessarily profitable. I will make affiliate sales easily. False. There is a lot of information floating around the web promoting affiliate as a quick and easy way to earn money. It's wrong. Selling an affiliate product can be learned and takes time if you want good results. You will be told that it is possible to do affiliate marketing without having a website. For example, I notice that many are affiliating through social media. The process itself is very simple. Examples: you send a post to your contacts asking them to type info in the comments if they want to get information. You reply to them in PM by leaving your affiliate link. You comment on posts and leave your affiliate link in your response. Admit that this affiliate marketing process is rather dubious and aggressive. You will certainly, maybe, make a few sales easily, but honestly, this is not how you will boost your income. The more affiliates who recommend a product, the harder it is to make sales. False. The number of affiliates is not the criterion to take into account. Rather, the real competition comes from super affiliates like you if you apply the advice in this guide. The vast majority of affiliates just put a banner on their site. They are usually the ones who think that the affiliation is not profitable. Others promote many products at once and never sell anything. Super affiliates are those who focus on a small number of advertisers and deploy a real strategy. Cookies can be deleted by visitors so I can lose commissions. True. The cookie is the keystone of the tracking system of affiliate programs and therefore of your remuneration as an affiliate. Even if the proportion of internet users who deliberately delete their cookies is marginal, it should not be forgotten that some internet users delete cookies from their computer. Reminder: thanks to an innovative technology offered by Legendary Marketer, each click is collected on the server side, and thus guarantees continuity of tracking without cookies and by IP. In other words, even if a user deletes cookies from their computer, and places an order, the commission will return to you. 95% of affiliates make little sales in affiliate marketing. True. Few affiliates make sales for 4 main reasons: they are not trained in affiliate marketing. They advertise trivial, even aggressive. They sell, they do not advise. They don't know the product they are selling. Some internet users do not like to click on affiliate links. True. Internet users are often ready to reach into their wallets to buy what interests them. But for some weird reason, they hate that a middleman takes a commission, even if it doesn't cost them a dime. This category of internet users does exist. It is important to take this into account. All these are reasons to be honest with your audience and not to use techniques to hide your affiliate links, or warn them. However, internet users are more and more informed and are less and less likely to reject these affiliate links. 5 mistakes to avoid in affiliate marketing. 1. Promote an affiliate product to the wrong people. It seems logical, and yet many affiliates make this mistake. For example, if your website talks about gardening, do not offer your visitors products from a completely different theme that have nothing in common. In order to sell, you absolutely have to present your message to people who are likely to be interested. 2. Promote an untested offer. You will agree, it is impossible to present a product that you have not tested beforehand or a product that has not brought you any satisfaction. For example, would you recommend a movie you haven't seen to your friends? Of course not. If you do not present your personal experience, your message will have a purely commercial resonance. Your message will be impersonal and prevent you from making sales. In addition, you have to make sure that the product is of quality. Remember, it's your credibility that's at stake. 3. Do affiliate marketing all the time. One offer that does not work is recommending dozens of untested products. You will have much more satisfying results by focusing on one affiliate product at a time. Work seriously on your promotion strategy before moving on to the next one. This is the only way you will be able to build a relationship of trust with your readers. Contrary to popular belief, affiliates who make a lot of sales work with very few advertisers. 4. Do affiliate marketing only for the money. Do not promote a tool if you are not convinced of its quality yourself. Your role as an affiliate is to be a good advisor, not a salesperson willing to make money indiscriminately. 5. Present only the advantages of the product or service. Whether it is a product or a service, there is none that does not have its share of disadvantages. One of the best pieces of evidence of a good recommendation is to present both the pros and the cons. Otherwise, your readers will quickly understand that your recommendation is not objective. The smart affiliate has a value proposition. Why is this so important? In general, when we talk about unique value proposition, we are referring to the competitive advantages of a product. It is a term connoted as marketing, but it has real meaning when it comes to making sales in affiliate marketing. A value proposition is the set of benefits expected by a customer before paying for a product or a service. Value is therefore above all a perception by the customer. As an affiliate, you are certainly not the only one promoting an advertiser's products and services, especially if their products or services are worth recommending. If you don't have a unique value proposition for your prospects, why would your prospects choose you over someone else? Why would they click on your affiliate link instead of another? To stand out from the competition, you, therefore, understand the importance of offering unique content to your readers. In affiliation, the competition is the other affiliates of the product or service being promoted. Few affiliates make the effort to create unique content, write their own follow-up letter, write an article. Of course, you have to use the promotional tools provided by the advertiser, but it is imperative to put your added value into them, otherwise, your sales will be a trickle down. How to bring your added value? The foundation for successful affiliate marketing is providing your prospects with interesting content they can't find elsewhere, and delivering your personal experience in a sincere way. The best affiliates have understood this. There is a well-known phrase that sums it up well: 20% of affiliates generate about 80% of sales or traffic to a site. Will you be in the 20%? The point is not to take the place of the advertiser, the seller, by reproducing his sales page, for example by listing all the advantages of the product. Your readers will expect you to tell them about your experience, to position yourself as an ally or an advisor. For example, if the affiliate product is training, present the objectives it has enabled you to achieve, the skills it has enabled you to acquire, the difficulties that you have overcome thanks to it, and how, the qualities of the supports or accompaniment, or still suggestions for improvement. Software. Present a text or video tutorial on a specific use case. Write a user guide on how you use it. Write an article on its pros and cons and explain why you specifically chose this product. Compare with other competing software to the advantage of the one you recommend. A book, an ebook. Write a summary. Make a PowerPoint commenting on things you particularly liked. Comment on the scope of the text and to whom it is addressed. And to boost your affiliate income, regardless of the affiliate product, you can also produce a testimonial video in addition to an article. Your message should remain informative and sincere. A testament to complacency for the sole purpose of selling is always noticeable. Offer a free guide that brings together many resources. Look for information, tips, complimentary products useful to your readers related to the topic of the affiliate product. Interview the advertiser. Approach by offering to video record an interview, on Skype or in front of the camera, or write an article on your blog. By getting this type of interview, you will increase the credibility of your recommendation. There is no shortage of ideas to bring your added value. It is up to you, first of all, to build up a knowledge base on the subject and the product to recommend. It is only after this step that it becomes appropriate to insert a link or an advertising banner of the advertiser on your website. But not before. Until you offer free and unique content to your visitors objectively presenting the affiliate product, any advertising material placed on your website will bring you very little results. For example, if you promote an affiliate product only for its high commission on sales, without testing it, you will not be able to convince your readers and your recommendations will lack credibility. Why? Your prospects are not fooled. In the long run, you are sure to lose their trust, the lifeblood of all relationships. In other words, think about your audience before you think about your portfolio, and above all, only recommend products that you know and love. The smart affiliate has a promotion strategy. Too often, affiliates leave without a clear and structured idea of the promotion strategy they are going to adopt. Yet nothing is more effective than methodical work. Here are 2 examples of simple and quick strategies to implement. 1. Affiliate marketing strategy, the article plus the affiliate link. Write an article on your blog with a hard-hitting headline showcasing the benefit of the affiliate product. The body of the article should include several elements, present in a few lines your tests, carried out successfully, why can this product, software, training, meet the needs of your readers, problem solved? Describe the product, its objectives, and its main advantages. Present your feedback, what it brought you, positive points, the difficulties you encountered, negative points, end your article with a call to action and your affiliate link. This strategy works, but it has the downside of sending your leads directly to the seller's site. You therefore no longer have the means to relaunch them. 2. Affiliate marketing strategy, article plus affiliate link plus gift. In the previous strategy, you do not have the possibility of capturing the email addresses of your prospects in order to follow up or to offer them other products on the same theme. Also, since it is proven that a sale usually happens after several raises, there is a good chance that you will lose sales. It is therefore relevant to use a variant of the first strategy. In addition, you will finish your article by inserting a registration form linked to your emailing service. By validating the form, your prospects will be placed on a list of contacts that you have created specifically for the promotion of this affiliate product. Thus, you have the opportunity to lead your prospect naturally into the sales process with a series of automated emails, each having a specific objective. This strategy is a balance between providing useful information and enticing them to order through your affiliate link. By writing informative emails, you will be able to create a sense of reciprocity among your readers who can get them to support you by purchasing your recommendations. For this affiliate marketing strategy to be effective, your giveaway, guide, video, free training, must be of high quality and directly related to the affiliate product. Instead of sending a simple email, it is advisable to write an article presenting your impressions and the result you obtained, create a useful gift for your prospects, create a specific contact list to revive your prospects with useful and non-commercial information. In conclusion, don't sell. Position yourself as an advisor. The product is king. You absolutely have to be careful what you are going to advise. If you offer BS, you will surely lose the trust of your customers. In this case, your customers will not be ready to choose another product in your store. Before recommending an affiliate product, here are the 3 questions you should ask yourself. Is the product of quality? Would I recommend this product to my family, friends? Is the price of the product fair in relation to the service provided? Otherwise, you may be making some money, but your credibility will be seriously compromised in the future. Now you are informed. Affiliate marketing is not and never has been a miracle recipe for boosting your income. Like any marketing process that works for the long term, affiliation takes work, efficiency, and ethics.